Hello everyone. Worksheet 6 is related to the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder means cylinder vessel is there, how much quantity it can hold. The formula for volume of cylinder is volume of cylinder pi r square h. Okay, and one more thing you have to remember that 1 meter cube equal 1 kiloliter, or we can say 1 meter cube equal 1000 liter also. This conversion also you have to remember. Now, question first. In question first, you have to find out the volume of cylinder if radius and height is given. Make sure, as I had told it earlier also, that you have to see the units carefully. It is in decimeter, convert it in centimeter. Now, volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. So, apply the formula, substitute these values, you will get the answer in centimeter cube. Is it clear? In second part, area of the base of cylinder. सिलेंडर का जो बेस है उसका एरिया दिया हुआ है. सो एरिया ऑफ द बेस ऑफ अ सिलेंडर. सिलेंडर का बेस क्या है? दैट इज इन सर्कुलर फॉर्म. सो एरिया ऑफ अ बेस इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. इट्स वैल्यू इज गिवन 154. सो पाई आर स्क्वायर इक्वल 154. आप इसको सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई हेयर एंड सॉल्व इट फॉर द to get the r square as 49 by doing the cross multiplication, and then you will get r equal 7. Now you will substitute in the formula to get the answer. Clear? Third part, circumference of the base of cylinder is given. Circumference is given. Circumference means its perimeter, base ka perimeter of cylinder. So that is equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal 1.32. And solve it. Here it is, height is given in centimeter, so convert it in meter, solve it, you will get the value of r, and then you will substitute in the question. Is it clear? Question 2. In question 2, it is question is how many cubic meter of earth dug out to sink a well 16 meter in depth and 7 meter in diameter. How many cubic meter of earth dug out? एक well है, and you know it very well that well is always in the shape of cylinder. Okay, well में से earth निकालनी है. Here earth means sand or मिट्टी, you can say it. ओके आप उसमें से मिट्टी निकाल रहे हैं. तो एक वेल है, उसमें से हम कितनी मिट्टी को, कितनी अर्थ को वी कैन डग आउट. मीन्स वेल आप उसमें से कुछ क्वांटिटी को बाहर निकाल रहे हैं. एंड इट इज ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड हियर हाउ मेनी क्यूबिक मीटर. क्यूबिक मीटर लिखा है. सो फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो वी कैन जज आउट कि वॉल्यूम की बात हो रही है. क्यूबिक मीटर, क्यूबिक लिखा है, सो वॉल्यूम की बात हो रही है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, height of the well which is in the shape of a cylinder is given, diameter is given 7 meters, so radius either it will be, you will take it as 3.5 or 7 by 2 also. Now apply it in the formula of volume of cylinder pi r square h, you will get it as 616 meter cube. ये volume किसका आया? Volume of well. Okay, well is in the shape of a cylinder. अब question में लिखा है how much cubic meter of earth dug out. So the earth dug out, earth means मिट्टी जो है उसमें से कितने cubic meter निकाल रहे हैं. So that is equals to the volume of a well. So यहाँ से हमारा वॉल्यूम निकल गया. So volume of earth dug out is 616 centimeter cube. Is it clear? Now come to the next question. In question third, it is given the diameter and the height is given, and we have to find out how much quantity of water in kiloliter it can hold, the tank can hold. So how much quantity of water in kiloliter? Kiloliter is given. So we have already taken this concept, 1 kiloliter equal 1 meter cube. It means we have to find out the answer first. Its answer in meter cube, means you have to find out the volume first. So we will find out its volume first. This answer will come in 1 meter, in meter cube. In meter cube, you will get the answer. Now, the question is that you have to find its answer in kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter, 1 meter cube equal 1 kiloliter. So what should be 4312 meter cube equals to how much kiloliter? It will be this one. It's a 1 meter cube 1 kiloliter. तो इतने मीटर क्यूब कितना होगा? 4312 kiloliter. Okay, now the question is how much water it can hold in kiloliter. So how much water it can hold? 4312 kiloliter. How much water? So the answer is this, 4312 kiloliter. Now question fourth is that the radius of the cylindrical oil can is given. Find its height if it can contain 1408 kiloliter. Kiloliter दिया हुआ है. So and this is given in meter. So we will convert this kiloliter in meter cube first. So this kiloliter equal 1408 meter cube. अब अगर आप देखोगे this is the volume. ये आपका वॉल्यूम हो गया. ओके, एंड वॉल्यूम फॉर्मूला ऑफ सिलेंडर इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो पाई आर स्क्वायर एच इक्वल्स दिस. सॉल्व कीजिए टू गेट द हाइट. इज इट क्लियर? इन क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ is related to the ratio. The ratio of the height and the the radius and the height of a cylinder are in the ratio 5:7 and volume is given and you have to find its radius. Since it is given in the ratio form, so what will you do? You will take it 5x and 7x and volume is given 550. Apply the formula, therefore pi r square h equal 550. Now substitute these values. Instead of r, this is r and this is h. Substitute, you will get this one. Now you will take x square into x. What it should be? X cube. X cube. Now do the cross multiplication upon 22 into 25 multiply 7. Okay, so cancel it. It will goes with 1150 and then 2 and cancel. So x cube you will get it as 1. So what should be x equals to? अगर x cube 1 है, so this implies x will be cube root of 1. It will get converse. So 1 cube root is 1 itself. So here we will get x equal 1. Now the question is that you have to find out the radius of cylinder. Therefore, radius of cylinder equal, which is equals to 5x. 5x हमारे पास दिया हुआ है, equals to 5x and this is equals to 5 multiply 1, so it will come as 5 centimeter. So radius equal 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Now question number 6. Question 6 is the thickness of a hollow metallic cylinder is given 2 centimeter. Its length is given 35. Inner radius is given 12 centimeter. Thickness is given 2 centimeter. So this thickness is given 2 centimeter. Okay, and the inner radius is given and its height is given 35 centimeter. Now the question is find the volume of metal required to make a cylinder assuming it is open from the both ends. Since its thickness is given and they are talking about the inner radius, so can we find out the outer radius also? Outer radius निकाल सकते हैं? Yes, we can find out. So inner radius, let it be small r, which is 12 centimeter. Then thickness is given 2 centimeter. So what should be the outer radius? Outer radius क्या होगा? Can anyone tell me? The outer radius will be 12 plus 2. So it will be how much? 14 centimeter. So inner radius is 12 and the outer radius, we will assume it with capital L, capital R. So it will become 12 plus 2, that is 14 centimeter. Is it clear? Clear to all of you? Okay. Now, in the question, it is given that height of a cylinder is 35 and they are talking about the inner and outer radius. So what does it mean? अगर inner radius और outer radius की बात कर रहे हैं, so it means that it is hollow from inside. Hollow from inside. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? What is the volume required to make a cylinder which is open from the top? अब आपको वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर निकालना है. सो इट मीन वॉल्यूम ऑफ मेटल रिक्वायर्ड निकालना है. तो अगर हम इसका मेटल का ये वेट निकाल दें और वॉल्यूम निकाल दें, इसका वॉल्यूम निकाल दें, देन वी विल गेट द आंसर. सिंस इट इज हॉलो फ्रॉम इनसाइड, जैसे ये देखिए, इट्स अ सिलेंडर, कंसीडर इट एज अ सिलेंडर एंड it has thickness also. Consider it has a thickness. So it is hollow from inside. अब हमें इस मेटल का, यहाँ पर जो ये मटेरियल है, इसका वॉल्यूम निकालना है. So it means we have to find out, since it has a thickness, so outer volume minus inner volume. Outer volume minus inner volume, then we will get the volume of this part. Okay. So same thing we will do it here. The volume of metal required is outer volume minus inner volume. So first of all, we will put the formula pi r square h minus pi r square h. Write the formula. It will be simple for you to solve it later. Okay. So outer volume minus inner volume. Why we are doing it? Since it is hollow from inside, outer radius and inner radius की बात कर रहा है. So it is hollow from inside. अगर hollow है तो metal कहाँ कहाँ use हो रहा है? Only this part it is using. So it means that outer volume minus inner volume. Now take pi h common. So left part is r square minus r square. Now we will try to put the value. आप इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि आउटर वॉल्यूम अलग निकाल लिए, solve it separately, and the inner volume you will solve it separately and then subtract it. But it will take little bit more time. So what we will do, we will write the formula first, take whatever is common. Now you will put the value 22 by 7. H is given 35. Now r square. R square is capital R. So capital R is given 14. 14 square minus small r is 12. 12 square. Cancel it. So it will come as. Now there are two ways to solve this one. Either you can use the identity, algebraic identity, a square minus b square, or you can solve this one separately and this one separately and then subtract it. It's on you. So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. This way also you can do it. So it is 110. Now add it 26, multiply 2. So this is 110. This you will get it. Now multiply it and get the answer. So it will come as 5720 centimeter cube. So remember, whenever the concept of outer radius and the inner radius is there in the question, then always it will be hollow from inside. अब इस क्वेश्चन में you have to find out the metal used here. क्या metal use किया गया है? So metal अंदर तो नहीं use हुआ. So metal has been used over this part. So outer volume minus inner volume. Apply the formula, take out common, and then put the values from the question, solve it, you will get the answer. Here, a square minus b square, a plus b or a minus b, this way you can do it. Or here itself, you can solve it 14 square answer minus 12 square answer and then solve it. Again, you will get same answer. Is it clear? And this question is important also. This is important also. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.